This is a video on how to create a seismic spectrum graph with 4 sets of data in Sheets, in Google Sheets. So across the top in row 1, I've put frequency and then the 4 different cases: short with snow, short no snow, tall with snow, tall no snow. Or you can do short with load, short no load, and so forth, whatever you want to name them. All of the frequencies for all 4 buildings need to go in column A. You need to go somewhere where you have this data. I have it right here, and I'm going to copy paste this data in here. So I can copy the first 2 in one go, which I can't do for the others, but at least for this one I can. So copy and go over here, paste, and I have the frequency and the short with snow. Now I need to go to the short with no snow and paste the frequency in column A still, but the peak acceleration in column C. So we'll go back to our spreadsheet here and have the frequency. Get to down to the bottom here. And here's the frequency for short with no snow. Copy, put this over here, paste, and I know that it has to start in the column C right below where the other one ends, and go back to our column, peak acceleration, and down to this one, copy, back to our other one, paste, and so forth. Do that for the other 2, and you can pause this until you've done that. So now you want to have a chart that looks like this with the 4 columns, or sorry, 5 columns, first with frequency, and then each column has its own building, and you might want to make a note of how far down it goes to 58, and for this one yours may be different. And then we want to insert a chart. Sheets will automatically try and put the best one there, which of course is not what we want. But we do want a line chart, and it does go from A1 to E58, but we want the x-axis to be the frequency, so that's A1 to A58, and say OK, and then we don't want the frequency to be one of the series, so we remove that, and then all of a sudden we have something that looks much more like what we want it to look. So now to get the points on, we need to go to Customize, and it'll be Chart Style. Plot Null Values should be chosen, and then if we go back, close that, and go back to Series, and then the point size should be whatever you'd like. I think 7 looks good, and you can do that. And then if we click this, get rid of it, and move this chart over, we have our beautiful seismic spectrum graph with its legend. Hope this was helpful.